Earlier we talked about the customary way to measure length. Now let's talk about the metric way. Now the metric way to measure length is normally done in European countries like Italy or England or Ireland. We don't do a lot of that in the US. You might hear it. We have it on the ruler. There's a centimeter on the ruler, and you might hear of a meter. So this might seem a little foreign to you, but let's dive right into it. So the first one is a millimeter. A millimeter is about the width of the lead or the tip of a pencil, the very top of a pencil. You see, I got a pencil right here. The very, very top of my pencil is a millimeter. And you use a millimeter if you're wanting to measure something very, very precise. Like let's say you have a drawing of like an architect would draw a house and they want to know how wide their drawing is. Or somebody who is sewing might want to know how long their stitches are. Something that's very, very tiny. So we've got a centimeter is the next one. So 10 millimeters go into 1 centimeter. And that's about the width of a pinky. So see how wide my pinky is, or your pinky? So that is a centimeter. And a centimeter, think of that as when you're measuring something around the size of an inch, you would use a centimeter. Okay, so anything you would use measuring inches, you would use centimeters. Okay, maybe if you wanted to see how long is it from my pinky to my thumb, well, you could measure that in centimeters. That would make more sense than using millimeters. Okay, something like that. So next one, we've got a meter. 100 centimeters make up 1 meter. And it's about the distance from the floor to a door handle. It's close to 3 feet. A meter stick and a yardstick are very close to each other. Okay? And you would use a meter kind of like the yard. Okay, those measurements would be interchangeably. Let's say you wanted to figure out how long it is from the front of your car to the back of your car. You'd use a meter. Okay? Or you wanted to know if you and your friend live down the street from each other, how many meters is it? Okay. The next one is kilometer. So 1,000 meters make up 1 kilometer. And it's about this distance of 6 city blocks. So if you're in Springfield and the street signs, if you pass 6 street signs, that's about 1 kilometer. And a kilometer is kind of the equivalent of a mile to use things to measure. So if you're going on a trip, you'd use kilometers. Or if you're running around the racetrack, you want to know how far you've gone, you could use kilometers. Okay? So that is how we use the metric system to measure things. We use millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers.